Launched the Note 13 series in China last week. The new lineup includes the Vanilla 13, the higher end 13 Pro, and the top tier Note 13 Pro Plus. Like last year's phone, these phones are expected to launch in the global market as well. A reliable tipster claims Xiaomi phone to launch the Note 13 Pro as a Poco branded phone outside China. Almost every Poco phone is a rebadged Redmi phone. This is true from the very first Poco F1 to the latest Poco F5. Capper said that the Redmi Note 13 Pro will be rebranded as a Poco phone. It's unclear what will be the name, but it will be a part of a Poco X series. This year's Poco X5 Pro is a rebadged Redmi 13 Pro Speed Edition, so possibly Note 13 Pro will be marketed as a Poco X6 Pro. The Redmi Note 13 Pro debuted with a solid mid-ranger, that is the new 4nm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 chipset. The handset has a flat 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with a central punch hole cutout. It offers a 1.5K 120Hz refresh rate and a 1600 nits of peak brightness.